Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from Team Zombie, and now I will demonstrate about how can we use Canary Token as a defender site and then clone the website as an attacker site. First of all, we have to create a Canary Token as a defender site. Then we click on the clone website here, and then we provide our email, and then we put our website here, and then we put here, and then here we can say that dengan sana sini has been cloned. Then we can click create my Canary token, and then it will generate a new code here, and then you can click copy here, and then we go to VS Code here, and then we can click paste this code in our HTML. After that, we go to the Canary token back, and then we click our tracker, our website copy. And then we can say test clone 4. Click here, and then you put our URL here, and then we can click paste, next, finish, and then you can see our test clone 4 here. Then you can click index here, and then it has the same function as our first website. Okay, and then you can want to see if our Canary token has been alert or not. Then go to the token here, and then you click history. Oh, you can see that it triggered here. Country Singapore. I am dan sini has include the agent here, location file, HTML, test clone for file, HTML, and then we want to see if it has been sent into our email. Oh, it's been sent here 1:53 PM, 0 minutes ago. Our token has been triggered by this source IP address, and then token reminder, clone site, location file, test clone 4, user agent here, source IP address here, then HTTP. I think that's all from me. Thank you.